Welcome to BikeSphere, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases for 2025, the Hero XPulse 200 dirt bike. This updated version promises an exciting blend of power, performance, and practicality. Let's break down what makes this bike stand out in the dirt bike world. Design and build. The design of the 2025 XPulse 200 continues Hero's commitment to durability and style. It comes with a sleek, modern look with bold graphics and a lightweight frame. Its robust suspension system, featuring telescopic forks at the front and a monoshock rear, is built for handling tough terrain. Additionally, its higher ground clearance makes it suitable for even the roughest paths. Engine and performance. The 2025 Hero XPulse 200 is powered by a 199.6cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. This engine delivers a smooth 19.1 horsepower and 17.3 Nm of torque, offering a perfect balance between off-road capability and daily usability. Whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising through city streets, the engine's performance ensures an exhilarating ride. Technology and features. This model brings several upgrades in technology, including a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential riding data at a glance. The new XPulse also features enhanced LED lighting for improved visibility at night. Not to forget the inclusion of a traction control system and switchable ABS, allowing you to fine-tune the bike's performance based on different riding conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Hero has focused on comfort with an improved seat design, making long rides much more manageable. The ergonomics are well suited for a variety of riders, offering a confident and natural stance. The bike's lightweight nature and optimized design make it easy to maneuver, whether you're on a tight trail or navigating through traffic. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero XPulse 200 is shaping up to be one of the most well-rounded dirt bikes in its class, offering everything from strong performance to a stylish and practical design. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or someone looking for a bike that can handle daily rides, the XPulse 200 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching BikeSphere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes.